Hi, welcome to another Conference Tracker tutorial video. In this video, we will be going over creating sessions. From the conference sidebar menu, locate Sessions and click on it. Here you will be taken to this page. From here, you will see options to create a session, view rooms, view tracks, and import sessions. Here you will also view all your previously created sessions. To create a new session, click on the blue Create button. From here, enter the name and description of your new session. Let's input some practice names. After this, input the date and time for your section. Here, let's have today's start date, and we'll end on tomorrow. Select the correct room location for your session. If there is a fee associated with attending this session, input that value here. You can now input the attendance and credits for attending the session. For our practice session, they will receive 4 credits for attending, and they will have to be required to sign out. To receive these credits, our users will have to maintain 75% of attendance. They will also have to stay for at least 45 minutes. These numbers can both be adjusted. Here, we can assign them to any tracks we have created. We can also assign a presenter that is presenting at the session. Here, we can select what attendance mode will be used. We can select on-site, online attendance, or a mixed attendance. Here, we can also require the attendees to pass a quiz to receive credits. You can input the quiz passing score, how many times they can retake the quiz, if there is a quiz retake wait time, and here you can enter your specific questions for the quiz. When these are completed, click on Save Changes, and your new session is created.